G'day guys, seventh time I think. Look at that noise. You hear him? He's really got some strange noises this time. It's one of the last one on six I think. Number 6. He mustn't be getting too much attention. That all there's dumping so many entities around. Thanks to the blue flashlights. That's a different sort of blue. Maybe they're bringing out the bigger guns. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, he's really sort of yeah. It's a very quiet night though. I must admit, a very quiet night. Can you just shut that door for me, please? Sorry, sometimes the reflection comes through. That's better. Sometimes it reflects back on the camera. Yeah, but we heard a very strange noise then, like a. It was similar to the noise we heard on the camera on the 5. That sort of noise, and it almost sounded like he. It was almost like he came down to above the shed and he took off quickly. That sort of, I hate that sort of vibe. Like he just sort of came down and just took back up quickly, and then he was directly pretty much above. It was a very, very, very strange noise. Don't get too many of those. There's a lot of strange things. I said to you earlier in the early clips, there's a lot of strange things going on. And this is a big day for them. I mean, New Year's Day and New Year's Eve and the start of the new year, especially being that it's this is the amount of changes that have been happening. I'm back on the ladder again. It seems to be fairly quiet. He really snuck up on me then. He had as I said before, that really strange noise, and it was almost like he was flagging me to come out with that noise. It was very unusual. Anyway, it's all quite peaceful again. Oh, there he is over there. He's in the distance over there again. So he's obviously, look, he must be getting, look, I don't know. I mean, I'm not too sure of the time. It'll have to be over midnight, I'd say, by now. And, but yeah, he's in the distance now. He's, so he's going back around again. There he is. And it's the same one too. It's not anything different. I can almost promise you, even before I zoom into it, there's a bat. Bat flies right in front of it. That it'll be the same. It'll be the same one. I can almost guarantee it. First of all, you can sense it. You can look at it, and he's moving quite quickly, by the way. Sometimes the camera does have a. He's gotten over there quite quickly, to be honest with you. And there's a lot of power lines and things in the way between me and him, so the camera will have a problem with its focusing. And then it's gone in front of a tree, of course. It's the same. It's the same pattern again. He's back out of the tree again, so there he is. I'll zoom in again, and you'll see for yourself that it will be the same one. And I mean, planes don't do this. I mean, he's really sort of he's having it's a very strange. That section, it seems to be a very hard thing to zoom in on. It really is. I don't know, it's because of all the. I think it's the power lines. I think the power lines causes the focus, because the power lines sort of go across the back of my house. So I think it messes with the autofocus. Yeah, so if I do manual focus, it's just not. It'll be gone by the time I actually try and manually focus on it. It's just I've tried that way and it's just a nightmare. That's the best way to do it. It's not a special focusing setting, and yeah, but he's there he is there. He's coming back from the outside. I'll see if I can zoom in quickly. Get him up close. There we go. That's not a bad picture of him, I think. He's quick. He's gone. I was just on the camera light. But anyway. But yeah. Anyway. It's quieting down a little bit, and I'll let you set up footage. So take care, guys, and I might see you again. God bless.